Hi, I'm Dave. Welcome to my wildlife channel. In this video, it's a peregrine that has just caught a pigeon and he's there plucking the pigeon and eating the pigeon as well. It was amazing to watch. Yeah, this is the female peregrine. I was waiting and waiting to see if the male would come in and try and snatch the pigeon off her, but he never did. So I never got to see that. If you're still watching this video, thank you very much. And if you like it or dislike it, could you please like and subscribe? As the more subscribers I get and the more likes I get, the more people would hope to see my videos. Thank you.